Have you ever noticed, no matter how hard you try to relax, your mind keeps looking for the next problem? Maybe you constantly notice every ache or sensation in your body. Maybe you're always thinking what could go wrong next. Maybe your mind replays conversations, worries about the future, or struggles to fully relax, even when life is going well. If this sounds familiar, you are not broken. And you are definitely not crazy. Your nervous system is doing what it learned to do. Scan for danger. My name is Tanner Murtaugh, and I've helped hundreds of people recover from nervous system dysregulation and chronic symptoms. Now, in today's video, I'm going to explain why your nervous system is always scanning for danger, how this can keep your anxiety, depression, pain, or symptoms going, and more importantly, what you can do to start to change this. Let's dive in. First, it's vital to understand your nervous system's primary job is not happiness. Your nervous system evolved to keep you alive, not to keep you happy. Your nervous system is constantly asking one question: am I safe? And every second, it's filtering an enormous amount of information, internally and externally. And it's deciding what deserves your attention. Not all experiences are treated equally by your nervous system. It views missing danger as far more costly than missing something pleasant. It views missing danger as a matter of life or death. That's why your nervous system prioritizes scanning for danger rather than scanning for all the reasons you're safe. This is called negativity bias. Now, please know this is a normal adaptive function of your nervous system, but it becomes problematic when it gets overreactive because now your nervous system is picking up on all these signals of danger internally or externally that are not actually there. How a sensitized nervous system starts creating false alarms. After prolonged stress, trauma, or mental health concerns, your nervous system can become sensitized. This means that your nervous system becomes hyperreactive to stimuli, sensations, or potential threats. And this can increase nervous system dysregulation and chronic pain or symptoms. Your nervous system is constantly trying to predict what will happen next. And it's doing this to keep you safe. A concept called predictive coding explains that your nervous system in each moment is not seeing reality. Rather, it's seeing reality that has been painted by your past experiences. So, if in the past you've faced danger in romantic relationships, now in your current romantic relationship, your nervous system is always scanning for danger. And it's likely going to find signs of danger in that relationship that are not fully based in reality. See, when your nervous system becomes sensitized, your danger detection system becomes more sensitive, which means that neutral experiences are going to be interpreted as very dangerous. So simple everyday experiences like going to the grocery store, driving, or being social can be viewed as quite threatening. Also, safe sensations in your body like tension, fatigue, elevated heart rate, and emotions get labeled as dangerous. Your nervous system narrows in on anything that could signal danger. And it's not doing this to make your life difficult. It's doing this based on outdated predictions. What danger scanning actually looks like. Most people don't realize they're doing this all day long. Scanning for danger becomes so normal and habitual that they don't even realize they're doing it. Now, the first step in changing this is becoming aware when your nervous system is scanning for danger. For some people, they're constantly scanning for danger in their body, checking on their anxiety, emotions, pain, fatigue, heart rate, breath, and perspiration. I notice some of my therapy clients are doing this upward of 5 times a minute. Scanning their body consumes their life. Other people are often scanning for danger in their mind, overthinking simple tasks, replaying conversations, imagining worst-case outcomes, and analyzing every scenario. I used to do this a lot. Now, these people are stuck in a danger loop in their head, and some people are constantly scanning for danger in their environment, looking for things that could go wrong at work or home, trying to read other people's emotions during conversations, looking for exits when you're in a new environment, and looking for ways to over-prepare for problems. Again, if you face danger in past situations or environments, your brain can get stuck in constantly scanning for danger moving forward. Please know if you're constantly scanning for danger in your body, mind, or environment, you are not weak or broken. Your nervous system has just become sensitized and is trying to cope. How to teach your brain something new. You don't need to stop scanning through willpower. You need to create enough safety in your nervous system that it no longer needs to monitor everything. The first step in changing this is noticing if and when you are scanning for danger and what this looks like. Next, you can focus your healing work in the following areas to overcome danger scanning. Changing thoughts and beliefs. You need to realize when your brain is slipping into danger mode and you're getting fear-based thinking. You got to catch it in the act. And then you got to re-examine that these thoughts are not based in reality and they're occurring because of nervous system sensitization and predictive coding. And then finally, you want to replace them with a more balanced thought, a more balanced, safe thought that is based in reality. Somatic work with emotions and symptoms. Slowly, you need to start attending to sensations in your body and teach your nervous system that you're safe to be with them. You need to practice attending to emotions, dysregulation, pain, and symptoms. So we can do this by dropping into our body, describing sensations, exploring them for a few minutes, really get to know them, and then use safety signals as you do this, such as breath work, present moment sensing, somatic movement, tapping, or massage. And by doing this, you're teaching your nervous system that sensations are not emergencies and that sensations are safe to attend to. Graded exposure. Slowly, you need to start approaching parts of life you've been fearful about or you've been avoiding. And as you do this, you can do the somatic work with dysregulation and other sensations and use safety signals. And by doing this, we're teaching your nervous system that life is safe to be lived and you no longer need to scan for danger. Treating trauma. I suggest beginning somatic trauma therapy with a therapist in your area. By doing this, you can teach your nervous system that trauma memories and sensations are safe to be with, and that in the present, you are no longer in danger. Remember, if your nervous system is constantly scanning for danger, you are not broken or weak. Your nervous system has just become too good at protecting you. The good news is your nervous system can learn something new. By using the strategies that I covered in this video, you can teach your nervous system a new story based in safety. A story that no longer needs to keep you on guard. Check out the other free educational videos and meditations on my channel to get started for free. Take care.